Closed-toed shoes are to be worn in the cutting and industrial machine areas of the lab. Eye protection must be worn at an industrial sewing machine if you have just changed the needle, you have just changed or adjusted the presser foot, you have just changed the bobbin or adjusted or removed the bobbin casing for any reason. Once you have made the first few stitches and are certain the needle, presser foot, and bobbin are all seated in the machine correctly and securely, then you may take off the eye protection. Please make sure to note the safety procedures posted at each station. If something breaks or won't work right, stop using the machine and clearly place the emergency tent on top. Let the monitor on duty or other AIBI staff know that something has gone wrong. This is a single needle lock stitch sewing machine. It makes a stitch that looks like this. Industrial machines have mostly the same parts as a home sewing machine. They just look a little different. Thread stand, tension dial, presser foot, needle, bobbin, and bobbin case. And this is a pedal to control the speed. All four of AIBI's single needle machines should have a variety of presser feet available for your use. Standard foot with finger guard, left and right zipper foot, invisible zipper foot, rolled hem foot. There are some differences on an industrial sewing machine, like a knee lever to control the presser foot, and a bobbin winder that will work while you are stitching. These differences are to make the stitching process as efficient as possible. To thread the single needle machines, from the thread holder past the thread through the 3 thread guides, then down around and in between the discs in the tension dial. Next, loop it up over the spring and down around the lever through the thread guide, then from right to left through the eye of the take-up lever, through the left-hand thread guide and the needle thread guides, before threading the needle from left to right. To fill the bobbin, bring the thread through the thread guide, then down around and through the tension dial. The empty bobbin is slid onto the spindle, and a fresh bobbin can be wound as you stitch.